and gentlemen, today I'm going to tell you how you can delete or remove the extension from your Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. To remove the extension, move your cursor on the extension and right click on it and click on remove from Chrome. It will remove the extension from the Chrome. Now if you want to hide the extension and use it later, click on the three dots, go to more tools and click on extensions. You can see all the extensions available here. By clicking on this button, you will hide the extension without removing it. You can see the extension has been removed from here. If you redo it, the extension is appeared here. To remove it, click on remove and click here. You can see the extension is removed. So that's how you remove or hide the extension from your Google Chrome. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.